Hello everyone, so today we're going to discuss the terms that we might encounter upon learning algebraic expressions. So we're going to discuss your lesson 2 about illustrating and differentiating related terms in algebra. So we have definition of terms. First, we have algebraic term. It's either a number or a single number, a letter, or a product of several numbers or letters. So these are the examples of algebraic term. We have here algebraic expression, a statement containing one or more terms connected. So we have here negative xy, m plus 3, 4x raised to the power of 5. So these are the examples of algebraic expressions. When we say algebraic expression, it's a combination of a letter and a number as well as the ordinary operations, or it also can be represented like this negative xy, or this one 4x raised to the power of 5. So algebraic expression, combination of a letter and a number. Constant, a constant is a number on its own. So if we have here an expression 4x raised to 2 plus x plus 2, so the constant is a number on its own. Therefore, a constant is 2. So always remember, if it is a constant, wala siya'y kauban nga variable. Only a number on its own. Variable. A variable is a symbol, usually letters, which represent a value or a number. So a variable can be X or Y or a letter from our English alphabet. So you can use A, B, C, D to Z as long as this letter represent a value or a number. Next, numerical coefficient, the number in algebraic terms. So from the word itself, numerical meaning numbers. So if we have here an algebraic term, which is 4x, so what is our numerical coefficient here? So we have 4. So pag numerical coefficient, ina siya kauban nga variable. Therefore, ang numerical coefficient, it's the number itself. So literal coefficient, so from the word literal meaning letter, a letter used to represent a number. So from this algebraic term, we have 4x. Therefore, our literal coefficient or our variable is x. Next, the positive integer exponent. Exponent. If a is a real number and n is a positive integer, so we have here a raised to n. So n, this is used a is used as a factor in n times. So, maglagay tayo ng any number here to denote kung kapila nato i-factor ang a. Kunwari, 5 ni, so a times a times a times a times a up to 5. So, where a is called the base, so a is the base, and n is called the exponent. So, kung say value sa imong n diri, so mao po na siya kung kapila nimo i-times imuhang base. So, for example, 2 raised to 3, so imong base 2, and you raise it to 3, so meaning katuluhon nimo i-multiply si 2. So, 2 times 2 times 2. Ingana ang positive integer exponent. We have here exponents, a small number written to the right of and slightly above another number or letter to indicate how many times the latter is used as a factor. So just like I said before, so if we have here 4x raised to 5, so our exponent here is the 5. Base, a number, a letter which an exponent refers. So if we have 4 raised to 5, so our base is 4. So from this example, meaning 4 raised to 5, so pasod ani si 4 daw i-multiply nato ikalima. So 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 to get an answer. So mao na siya ato ang base. What else? The power, the product of a number used 2 or more times as a vector. So the expression a to the power of n is called power. It is the n power of a and is read as a raised to the nth power or simply to the nth power. So we have here 4x to the raise 4x raised to the power of 5, or 4x to the power of 5. So the power here is the same as your exponent. So the power of a and is read as a raised to the nth power, or simply a to the nth power. So like terms or similar terms, algebraic terms that have same literal coefficient and in which latter has the same exponent in all the terms. So like terms and similar terms are very important, especially if we're going to use the operations, if we will add or subtract. So let's remember to look the terms na parehas sila para dali na lang nimo minus or a plus ang isa ka term. So if we have here unlike terms and dissimilar terms, algebraic terms which are not like terms. So from this example, like terms, we have 4x and 7x, negative 9 and 5, 4a squared b, and negative 5a squared b. So the terms, same sila, may 4x. The second example, wala sila variable, therefore, same sila. And the last example is na sila same na term, which is a squared b. So therefore, in adding or subtracting a term, so dali lang nimo siya. So pangitaon nimo ang parehas og term nga imuhang ma-plus or ma-minus or multiply or ma-divide. So anything nga parehas og term, i-uba na nimo sila. So kapag unlike terms, we have here 4x, 3y, 9, 5b, 4a squared b, and negative 5ab squared. So, dili sila same of term. So, degree is the highest exponent or the highest sum of exponents of the variable in a term. So, we have here an expression 4x squared plus x plus 2. So, the degree here is 2, meaning the highest exponent or the highest sum of exponent of a variables in a term. So, x squared, so siya ang pinaka-highest nga exponent. Kani si x, napo ni siya exponent which is 1. Pero dili na natin siya isulat kay ibig sabihin kaning x na ni siya power nga 1. So let us try. So identify the following algebraic expression if it is mathematical phrase or mathematical sentence. Write your answer in the table provided. So this topic or these examples, nakita ninyo ni sa inyong module, right? So the mathematical phrases, pag sinabi nga natin mathematical phrases, dili siya kompleto, meaning dili siya, wala siya equal sign. So from this example, 20 minus 12, 3r plus 4, 7c e minus 4d x plus y. So meaning, phrase lang siya, mathematical phrases. Unlike here, the mathematical sentence, as you can see, we have here the equal sign, the less than, equal to, and the are the greater than or equal to and the less than symbol. So meaning it's a complete sentence or a mathematical sentence. So that's all for our topic about definition of terms. So I hope you learned something today, and let's familiarize the terms so that it's easy for us to answer algebraic expression or to write in algebraic to write mathematical phrases. So that's all. God bless us all.